Inhale and take your head up. Chant Om as you bring your head down. Can we try that, please? I suggest nobody does it standing. Please be seated somewhere because you may have some balance issue. So it is actually suggested to sit down and do the practice, please. Let's continue 4 more times. Inhale. Open the chest. Inhale into the chest. And chant Om as long as you can. So now we will do with some arm movements. On inhale, I just want you to take your arms up and look up at the palm. As you chant Om, bring your head down and the arms down slowly. Let's try that 3 more times, please. Inhale, draw a huge circle, take your arms up, look up. We are going to take the arms all the way up. And as you chant Om, you're going to bring the arms from the front. So make sure the breath is as long as possible and the movement is as slow as possible. Okay, let's try that again. Inhale, take the arms from the side. Very good. Now, what we're going to do is a little bit of twist. So on inhale, we open the arms out. And on exhale, we twist and look back. Inhale, open your arms out. And exhale, we twist, look back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Take a breath. Let's try that 2 more times. Inhale, arms to shoulder level. And exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, arms to shoulder level. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, arms to shoulder level. Exhale, arms down. Take a breath. Let's try that. So, ரெண்டு சைடும் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நீங்க கையை கீழே எடுத்துன்னு வந்து ஒரு மூச்சு எடுத்துக்கலாம் to relax. Yes, and then you start all over again. என்ன ஆகும்னா நம்ம breathingல continuously பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தா பண்ண your breath will become short. So it is good that you do once or twice as per your comfort level and then take a natural breath and then you resume again. Okay, it is not ideal to continuously try 5-6 times at one go. That will compromise your breathing. Breath is the most important factor. Your movements are not important. Movements are only helping you breathe better. Okay. What we did was, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்? Inhale, arms from the side, and we chanted Om as we brought the arms from the front. இல்லைங்களா? Now what we will do is inhale, arms from the front, and Om சொல்லி நீங்க கையை sideல இருந்து எடுத்துன்னு வரீங்க. So what that will facilitate is, it will help you move the upper back, shoulders, neck, எல்லா muscles-உம் help பண்ணும். Yes, can we try that with breathing, please? So inhale, arms from the front, and exhale as you chant from the side. Very good. Let's try that 2 more times. Please don't do this standing. Try and sit down and do it. Inhale, arms from the front. Now, what we are going to do is inhale. Ipa nama enna pannom? We did a good shoulder rotation pannidom, and then we did a good twist. Yes. Now we are going to do a side lateral stretch. Okay. So inhale, we are taking the arms up, and exhale, we are bending to one side. Inhale, again arms up, exhale, arms down. So ipo left side panala. Inhale, take the left arm up, stretch nicely, and you bend towards the right. Inhale, stretch the left arm. Exhale, bring the arms down. Very good. Can we try that 2 more rounds, please? So inhale, the right arm comes up.
Just a second.
Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, come up, stretch. Exhale, arms down. Remember, the most important thing is to keep the breath as slow as you can. So this time, inhale, take the left arm up. Exhale, bend towards the right. Inhale, stretch the left arm. Exhale, arms down. Take a breath. Yes, இப்போ நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா what we are going to do is inhale, இங்கே நல்லா நம்ம chest open பண்ணி inhale பண்ண போறோம். And exhale, we are going to slide the palm along the leg and go down. Inhale, you're going to slide the palms up your leg, open your chest, and exhale, relax. Yes, try பண்ணலாமா? நம்ம ஓம் சேர்த்து பண்ணலாம். நீங்க ஒரு வாட்டி நான் எப்படி பண்றேன்னு பாருங்க. So inhale, open the chest. Inhale. Yes, can we try that please? Vanga. Nalla inhale பண்ணுங்க. Open your chest, breathe in. Now chant as you move down. Inhale. Slide your palms up as you come up. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா we are going to do a chant called Ayur Mantra. By Ayur Mantra, what we mean is we are asking for good health. We are going to ask for blessing for good eyesight, hearing, speech, thoughts, yeah, good circulation in the body. Ellame. We are going to ask, we are going to focus on different parts of the body as we are going to chant this. Okay, so right now, though all you need to do is just do the movement with me, and I'm going to tell you what we are focusing on. Other focus pannide, if you can do the breathing, it will be good. Just listen to the chant. Idu mudinja alavukku, when you listen to the recording as you are practicing at home, you can by heart it. I'm sure some of you already know the chant. Yes, so let's do this. I'll tell you how we are going to do is we're going to bring the palms to the chest. They believe that the center of the chest is the emotional center. Yeah, there is also a very important nadi called Kurma nadi, which is in the form of a turtle. Yeah, and the turtle nadi mela nama focus panni ஒரு வாட்டியும் நம்ம breathe in பண்றப்போ அத நம்ம nourish பண்ணணும். We need to energize it. That will help us give good energy levels. Yes, so நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா we are bringing the palms to the chest And every time you inhale, I want you to open your arms out. And as we are chanting, Om Ayurthehi, we bring the palms to the center of the chest. And by Ayur, we mean good health. You're asking for good health. Yes, நம்ம எல்லா லைனும் ரெண்டு வாட்டி chant பண்ணுவோம். Okay. So I'm going to tell you the meaning also. So by Ayur, we mean good health. We're going to do that 2 times now. So please bring the palms to the chest. Take 2 breaths to completely bring your focus to the body and breath. In case the mind wanders, just keep bringing it back to your body and breath. So inhale, open your arms out, receiving that breath like a blessing. Om Ayurthehi. Once more, inhale. Om Ayurthehi. Now we're going to ask for Pranandehi. By prana, we mean the life force which is in our body, which is like a breath that enters the body. So we are asking for good breath. Yeah. So inhale. Om Pranandehi. Once more. Inhale. Om Pranandehi. Next, we're going to talk about Apana. Apana, these are all different kinds of Vayu which is present in our body. So each one has their own functions. For Prana is to help good inhalation. Apana, it helps to eliminate. It helps eliminate all the toxins, all the impurities in the system. So eliminating is also equally important. So we are focusing on the lower abdomen as we are chanting this. Though we are bringing the palms to the chest, just focus on the lower abdomen as you're chanting. Yes? So inhale, open yourself out. Om Apanandhehi. Once more. Inhale. Om Apanandhehi. Now we move on to the next Vayu called Vyana. So Vyana Vayu is responsible for movements. So some of us who are actually facing the challenge to balance, we are having tremors. So this is just because that Vyana Vayu is not functioning properly. So we are asking for the Vyana Vayu to have a good health. Yes? So let's try that. On inhale. Om Vyanandhehi. Om Vyanandhehi. Next, we are going to ask for good eyesight. So to be blessed with good eyesight. Inhale. Om Chakshurthehi. Inhale, open that chest center. Om Chakshurthehi. Now we're going to ask for good hearing. Yeah, so just bring your focus to the hearing part of the body. So inhale, open yourself out, open that chest center which stands for energy. Om Srotrandhehi. Inhale. Om Srotrandhehi. Next, we are asking for a calm, quiet mind. Yeah. So just bring your focus to the mind. Inhale, open yourself out. Om Mano Dhehi. One more time. Om Mano Dhehi. Now we are going to ask for our speech to be purified or to ask for good speech. Yes. So Vachandehi. Let's try that. Inhale. Om Vachandehi. One more time. Inhale. Open yourself out to receive that fresh breath. Om Vachandehi. Now we're going to ask for the inner. There are many terms that we use. We use soul. We use the deeper self. Yeah. So we are actually looking at ourselves a little more deeper. So just see if you can focus a little more onto the chest center. Om Atmanandehi. Inhale. Om Atmanandehi. Now we have asked for a lot of blessings and we need all these to prevail. So we're going to ask them to be there. Inhale. Om Pratishthandhehi. One more time. Breathe in as deep as you can. Open yourself out. Om Pratishthandhehi. Now, I am going to ask all these blessings for myself. Yeah, that would be the next. Inhale. Om Mam Dhehi. Once more. Inhale. Om Mam Dhehi. Finally, after I receive, I do not keep it to myself. I want to share it with the world. And so that this peace or this health is also experienced by people around me. So we always believe that we are all interconnected. If we are selfish and if only we want to be happy, then we will end up to be very unhappy. It is important to understand that there is a connection between anything and everything that is around us. Yes, so we are actually focusing on that connectivity, on that link, and we are asking me and people around me, all the loved ones and everyone around me to be blessed as well. Yes. So inhale. Om Mahi Dehi. One more time. Inhale. Om Mahi Dehi. Please continue to sit with your eyes closed. Sit with your eyes closed. Just focus on the vibrations of the chant that we just chanted. See if you can focus on the meaning of the chant. We asked for health. We asked for peace. We asked for good clarity. And for all our senses, like the eyes, the speech, the hearing. Just sit with your eyes closed, focusing on the meaning and on the blessing that we just asked for. Feel yourself to be completely nourished. In case the mind wanders, just bring it back to the body. Keep coming back to that state of abundance. We are blessed in so many ways. See if we can connect to that. Keep your focus at the center of your chest as you're listening to the next chanting, which is helping us to see the difference between what is in front of us, what is true, and what is not true, which our mind is following. And to take us from a feeling of lethargy to clarity, and from the path towards illness to longevity, and finally to be blessed with Shanti or peace of mind, body and breath. That's why we chant Shanti 3 times. See if you can connect to the meaning of the chant as I chant. Asato Sadgamaya Tamaso Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Shanti Shanti Shanti.